friends, Charles again. And if you can, what you can see there, there is a, yeah, there are two lemon stems, and you can see there's apple, a part of apple, and a half of a lemon fruit. So I will plant it. I will press the lemon stem in the apple, and then I put it in the lemon fruit, and then I cover it with ground compost. So that is my method. I try now. If it works, if it doesn't work, it doesn't matter, because you will not know if you are not trying. So you can see there's my first one. I put it in a holder with compost, and then I I watered a little bit and put the bottle over it. So I leave it there for germination, and after that you can grow. Okay, I want to see if it will work. If it works, it is fine. Okay, there's the apple. Put that part in the apple from that lemon, and then I put it in a plum pot or so, and then I flower pot, and then I cover it with ground and leave it there in my home. There, the special spot where I will place it. If it grow and it get roots, that is fine. So then you can see there's also a stars still ready to bloom. So that is what you see there. So we don't just want hope and want him to grow so that we can know when it's a later time how to grow it in apple or in a lemon fruit. You see what people make. I can say, bring it closer for you. What people make, they plant it with very difficult styles and so on. And then otherwise you can see, but some people throw coke on it. I don't know if it throw, others throw egg. They break the egg and they put it in the egg, and so after a while it grow. I don't know if it will work because they say that is hormone. So friend, that is it. I try some other method. If it works, it is fine. Then you can see there's my bottle. Sorry, there's my 2-liter bottle, a drink bottle, and then I cut the bottom from it, and then I place it over it, and I leave it here in my space near my room, and in the aisle between my room and my sister's room, and then in the entrance of the kitchen. See there. So I still waiting now, and I will see if it work. Otherwise, that is not the end of the world, and then I try something else. But if it work, I show you how it grow, and the leaf system and the root system and all that works. I think I must go to rest now. And there you can see there's a bottle, two bottles. One is green and one is clear. So I leave it there in the space near my room, and I can monitor it every day to see how, if it work or what. So friend, that is it, and I hope you enjoy it. But don't forget to subscribe, please, man. I ask you every time, subscribe for me, man. Subscribe, please, man. So I see you in my next video. Bye.